In this video, you will see how to insert a header in Word Online. To add a header in Word Online, you need to click on the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, you will see the option of header and footer. Click on the option and now you will start seeing these three columns. You can click on any column. For example, I will type inside the second column. And now here under the options, you can select what you want. For example, if you want the heading to appear on all the pages, then you don't need to do anything. But if you want first page different, then select this option and retype the heading what you want. So this heading will appear only on the first page. And if you want to remove the heading, you can use this option, remove header and footer. However, notice that when you double click inside the document, you cannot see the header while you are online. So to make sure you have added the header, you need to go to the File tab. Then under the Print, click on Print. And now you will see this preview. As you can see here, the header is appearing. In this way, you can make sure that you have added a header to the document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Word Online.